and do a dry manicure, push back the cuticles, and clean the nails with acetone to dehydrate and remove all the oils might have it on the surface of the nails. Then you apply the beige gels here for 10 seconds, just 10 seconds. And then now I'm ready, and the same beige gels I am going to have it right on my plates right here, so then I can able to is sculpting my velvety gel. Super simple, easy. How's everyone doing today? Happy Wednesday. So I'm gonna get it just so there are so many different ways to do. I like to do that one on this. You know what? You can definitely doing it with kind of an ombre as well. You can do ombre two-way. You can do ombre. The tip's gonna be white, and then on the cuticles can be clear, possible. All right, so let me move this. I'm gonna open. So there's so many different colors, like a purple, green, goldens. There's a lot of them. There's go in the numbers. There's, I'm gonna open some of this. Can you open a couple, babe? So it doesn't matter colors I am picking. It's gonna be so pretty. Hey, Jacqueline's from Facebook. Oh, Mika, thank you so much from Facebook as well. Mika can pin the websites on Facebook for me. That'd be awesome. Thank you, thank you. All right, so now we are going to use, that's the same, I just cleaned that, and we are going to using, oh, this is so awesome. Let me move that one down a little bit. This one, the flick.
Whenever you need to use boom down.
Okay. So I'm gonna submerging my brush. This is absolutely is a perfect for beginners. You do not have to worry about your ratios for your beads. And this is absolutely a game changer, and it will be even improve and actually is help. Oh my God, I shouldn't breathe though, because all my cornflake is flying everywhere. Sorry.
Go easy.
And just blend it. Remove the excess, and I'm gonna blend. Really thin coat. And blend it thin on this because I'm gonna put the chrome flake on it.
Oh yeah, I want to ask you, can it be done at the French pink and white?
This one? Yeah. This the French, you mean? The French?
Yep.
Hold on. Are you talking about this can be done with the French pink and white? Oh yes.
Yep, so you use Velvetty Gel to make pink and white.
Hold on. Ask question again, Audrey.
Can it be done at the French pink and white?
Yes, this you mean the color?
Can you make a pink and white French with Velvetty Gel?
Oh yeah. Audrey, I have a lot of videos for the ombre. You mean you can either do ombre or you can do it as the traditional pink and white though. Yes. You definitely can. All right, so I blend this to get it thin. Okay. Hello everyone. If I don't say hi to all of you, if any of you are in. So now there's, oh my god, there's so many of them. Can you move them down? Just
use one or two at a time.
I just want to show this one first.
Okay.
Okay, don't need to be too close. You can get like this one. When it's still wet now, it's the best time to pick it up. You can pick it with your brush. And it's still wet, so it's the best time because it's cornflake. It's really light and it's thin. So you can just dab really gentle and it just adheres right into the velvety gels. Just a little bit. As more as you wish, however you would like. And it's out level, super easy. This is great for the clients, even short nails or long nails, or you're building a structure of the nails. This is gonna be the bomb. All right, you can continue doing it if you want to. So I am happy with this. I'm gonna add some just down here, and then we're going to cure. It's okay. All right, I am going to cure. Flash cure for 30 seconds. I'm gonna cap the clear coat on. All right, so let's move this on the side for just a second. We're gonna need a crystal clear. Jacqueline, yes, they are on the side. So you, on the Velvetty Gel, you can definitely get the full kits with 6 colors, or you can get 2 colors. It's really cool though. Jacqueline, you're gonna definitely love this. This is, you don't have to worry about getting a perfect ratios at all for the liquid and powder. And then this is a really cool transitionings for building it and learning it. And then also you give your skills to work is super easy and fast when you are doing this and kind of transfer or not transfer, or like adding on with the liquid and powder. So I'm gonna add the crystal clear on the side. See that how it's going right on, and it's capped it, and I'm gonna using my brush and blend that. It's no messy at all. It was like, it's not running everywhere. It's not even like it just or runs or it's go all over your cuticle. It will stay right there, but it's not like it's hard stay. It stay right there until you are going to sculpting it. So submerging my brush into the gel base I have right here. It's like put a couple drop there because I'm gonna using for the second nails, and taper it in the middle. It's so cool though. It's just remind me of like, oh my gosh, I wish this Glitz has this, the Velvetty Gels, even before I start, you know, like doing a lot of custom acrylic nail, liquid and powder. So now I am going to cap right here too. And you're gonna do it, tuck it in the cuticle, so then it's not gonna run everywhere in the cuticle, and it's so easy to control. And then now we are going to cure it. All right.